Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another quick and interesting video today. I'm going to explain you 4 types of technical interviews or tests you could face during the process of a data analyst job. All these are not exhaustive, so definitely this will give you an idea to get started, get better prepared for your interviews. The first type of test I've commonly seen is to give you 2 or 3 questions, let's say in a platform like HackerRank. You might be asked to write SQL code or Python code. This depends on the situation. For this, it's important to be well prepared. You can check out the SQL scenario questions playlist on my YouTube channel. Here I have solved questions which are very similar to this test. Here it is important to understand that you're able to do as many questions as possible, ideally 100%, to stand out from the competition. The second type of test I've seen is when a company will send you a complete data set and ask you specific pointed questions. You might be given 1 day, 2 day, or sometimes up to 7 days to solve this. Many times they give you this task and ask you to solve it using a specific tool like SQL or Python. Sometimes they might give you freedom to use the tool of your choice. Over here, it is not only about your SQL or Python skills, it is your ability to apply it to that particular business context. This is why I suggest people to get exposed to different kinds of data. If you check out my YouTube, I have projects on Swiggy, airlines data, and a lot of other varied topics. It's important that you get exposed to these different type of data so you can be comfortable in solving these questions beyond just your technical skills. The third type of test that I have seen is obviously a live technical interview or a live coding challenge. Over here, it is important for you to understand that you will obviously have time pressure with someone sitting in front of you. So just try to process your thoughts in a very strategic manner and explain it to your interviewer. Even if you make 1 or 2 errors, that is not going to matter. They might hire you based on your attitude, general knowledge, and your thought process. So they don't take too much tension, but for this you definitely need to have the concepts in your fingertips, right? Let's say they ask you about a window function, how do you use lag, or tell me 2 functions in pandas, things like this. You need to have them in your fingertips to be well prepared. The final type of test I have seen is very interesting, and this is coming up very commonly in last few months. This is a company will send you a data set and give you a very vague business problem like how can you improve our revenue, how can we bring down our marketing cost, right? And ask you to explore the data, come up with insights. So here it's even more tricky because you don't have pointed questions. You're just given a data set and a very vague question. So this is where your business acumen, right, your knowledge of KPIs or metrics in that particular industry becomes really important, right? So beyond your technical skills, you need to focus on this. Let's say it's the food delivery industry, e-commerce industry, airline industry, whatever. You need to be able to understand what are the most important KPIs for the stakeholders in that industry. On top of that, based on the data, based on your analysis, you need to communicate a very good story so that you are able to convince them, right, with your insights. So for this, again, I suggest you to go through some of the projects on my channel where it's about different types of data from different industries. So these are generally the 4 common types of interviews I have seen. Overall bottom line is you need to be good at your concepts, keep practicing, and at the same time improve your business acumen and communication skills. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link some of the playlists in the description section. I will see you again in another video. Till then, take care.